Hi guys, welcome to Tech Bytes. So today in this tutorial we will be talking about how we can make our PC run fast. So without any delay, let's move towards the tutorial. Basically there are three ways to make your PC run fast. So let's start with the first step. Okay, first thing, to click the right mouse button and click on refresh. It is one of the most common method that is being used to refresh our PC. Similarly, the next one method is to press Windows R and on this let's type %temp percentage, which open the folder that contains the temporary files of our PC. So that let's select all the file. Let's click Ctrl A and then delete the files. So if you get this dialog box, then click on do this for all current items and then click on skip, so that our all temporary files will be recycled and it will make our PC run fast. Similarly, the next method is to press Ctrl R and let's type PREFETCH and click on continue. Okay, so this contains so many PF files, so that it makes our PC run slow because it's occupying large space of our memory. So let's see. Select all, Ctrl A and then click on delete. Okay, click on skip. Now all the files have been deleted. And the third method, that is right click on your taskbar. So click on Task Manager and then let's see on Start Up. So when our PC runs for the first time, these all programs are going to be started. So if you want to disable this, then click on that certain program and then click on disable, so that these applications do not use our startup process, which makes our PC run fast. Similarly, we can also see on the process and we can confirm which background process or which application process are consuming our CPU. Okay, we can sort it according to the percentage, and similarly we can also see our memory use up and then GPU also. So we can close all the applications that are consuming large percentage of our memory, so which makes our PC faster. So these are the tips for making our PC run fast. If you guys find these tips and tricks helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.